Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I will be making this amazing barbecue chicken drumstick. Now guys, let's cook. So guys, here I have my chicken and I'm using chicken drumstick. Now I will be washing it with vinegar just to cut the rawness from it. Now it's time to season our drumstick, and first I'm using the Maggi all-purpose season, and I'm just using a good amount of it. I love this season because it doesn't have a lot of salt in it, which is what I love, and it has a lot of flavor. I'll also be using Cajun season, and guys, you don't have to use the added season like what I'm doing. You guys can just go ahead and use the Maggi all-purpose season on its own, or even just the Cajun season. I'm just extra, so that's what I'm doing. No, I'm using Old Bay season. I just like the taste of different types of season in my mouth. I'll also be using paprika, black pepper, okay guys, this part is optional. The added season and even the garlic and the onion powder is optional because I will also be adding onion and garlic to it. As I said, I'm a little bit extra, so yeah, this is practically optional. But anyways, I'm using garlic powder and onion powder because I just love flavor, guys. I love flavor. I do not like salt. I love flavor. Now guys, I went ahead and I chopped some season just to flavor my barbecue chicken. First, I have some carrots there that I already went ahead and chopped in advance. I also have some green and orange bell pepper, onion, thyme, ginger, garlic, and scallion. And you want to just go ahead and add that to your seasoned chicken. Now the star of the show, or barbecue sauce, and I'm using the original Kraft barbecue sauce. And just a good amount, guys. I'll also be using some browning, and this is gonna give it that color, that brownish color that you're looking for. And I'm out, so I need to get some more. Now using a glove, I'm just gonna rub all that season together, and I'm gonna leave that to marinate for 2 hours, or you guys can always do this overnight. Okay, now guys, to bake the chicken, I'm using a Pyrex dish, and I'm lining that with foil And I'm using this because I just didn't want the chicken to stick to it. I didn't want to wash it like or soak it overnight or whatever. So I'm just lining it, which is pretty convenient. I'll also be oiling that, just using a brush to oil it just so that it doesn't stick to the foil as well. Now you just want to gently lay these beautiful well seasoned drumstick in your Pyrex dish. Okay, now look how beautiful that chicken is. Now before I bake it, I will be sealing the top with foil just so that it retains its moisture. Now in a preheated oven, you want to bake this at a temperature at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. So okay guys, I removed the chicken from the oven. Now it has been in the oven for 45 minutes. I'm not sure if it's fully cooked. I'm not sure if it's fully cooked, guys. So I will be inspecting it to see if it's fully cooked, and it wasn't. It was not cooked. So I'm gonna glaze it and I'm gonna finish it off in the oven for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. Now guys, remember the internal temperature for your chicken needs to be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, so I'm gonna drain some of that beautiful delicious juice from the chicken, and I'm going to make some glaze just to top it off. Okay guys, for that glaze I use the juice that I just poured out from that chicken. I also add barbecue sauce and some ketchup. Okay guys, if you have pineapple juice, you can go ahead and add pineapple juice to your glaze as well. It just gives it that amazing taste. Guys, if you have pineapple juice, just go ahead and add it. You will thank me later. Okay, I just didn't have any, so I just, do without. But you will thank me if you have it. Okay guys, like look at this. This is just so beautiful. I could literally eat it like this. Now I'm gonna leave it uncovered in the oven just to bake for an additional 20 minutes. And this is the finished product, guys. You will be seeing the final product in the next 3, 2, one, and boom, there you have it. On the right there we have some plantains going on. I also have some Greek salad. I also have some Italian mashed potato and avocado. I hope you guys enjoy this video so much. This dish was so good, guys. It was just so delicious and flavorful. I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it though, guys. Like, really. Comment, share, and subscribe. And please do go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.